what do we got going on here, Ken?
We're putting a bidet in at New Holland Brewery Company. The girls' bathroom, handicap stall. We're hooking it up to a Sloan valve, which is kind of unique. Anybody out there that is putting together a bidet in a commercial application, you probably run into Sloan valves. We have the solution to that. So,
should I go on the other side and show them what the solution is, or keep them guessing? Make them buy one.
Have them call us.
Yeah, that's right. You need one, call us. So you're out to lunch with a guy that was interested in the bidet. What transpired there?
It's kind of funny. The old guy thinks that having somebody wipe them isn't a bad thing, you know. But you got to take the other person, the person that's doing the wiping, into account. You know, you got to remember what it's doing to them and how long are they going to do it. This is a totally volunteer act. You know, once that if that act's over and people run out of the patience of doing it, then you have to require on using the rest of what you saved in life to pay somebody to do it for you.
So now it's a matter of the guy that you had lunch with getting that point across to his father-in-law, huh?
I want to know how to overcome that. How do I get my father-in-law to accept water and not somebody else's hand? You know, sure, a psychologist might have a better answer than what I had, but...
I doubt it. You know what? No. I can tell you this much. No. Oh, does that look nice on there? If I do say so myself.
It's pretty.
Wow, that is sharp. Hey, there we go.
That's...
Now what was that?
Bumping your head is just a reminder to let your ego get to you. That's what happened right after I was tooting my own horn.
So basically, there's no real plumbing involved, is there? And why do you figure that is?
Plumbers are obtuse thinkers.
Obtuse?
If it wasn't for great minds, they'd still be using cast iron pipe.
They're obtuse? Yeah, I think what it came down to was manufacturers of these things realized that they can't sell them through plumbers.
Plumbers are standing in the way of this whole upgrade.
Plumbers have known about them for how many years now?
They would rather use right here. If you look at this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheets. Right there is a gallon of water.
1 gallon of water.
You just used a gallon of water right here. 1 gallon of water.
And
now,
by what 1 gallon?
Can do it with one of these. So you're using 2-3 gallons of water just in the processing. To make toilet paper, it takes on a 300-roll sheet over 37 gallons of water to make it.
37 gallons of water for...
So that's 8.1 sheets per gallon.
Wow.
This uses 4 ounces of water to clean you. Right here in the shower, and on here, it's a shower and a toilet. Do 8 ounces of water at most if you want to get into the pleasure aspects of what this thing can do for you. So I don't know anything about, but yeah, right there, 1 gallon of water.
So
add 1.6 to it, plus a shower that takes, 10, 12, 15 gallons of water. You're looking at using a lot of water just to do what this unit does with 4 ounces to 8 ounces of water.
So anytime somebody says, but what about the environmental aspects of it? Doesn't it use a lot of water?
Well, this is the greenest product that's out there, but you have a whole bunch of water phobes out there that are so afraid of it that they come up with all kinds of excuses from, what's not environmentally friendly. I just don't understand it. Well, then understand the fact that you're not clean because you use toilet paper. It doesn't clean you. It does not clean you. Water cleans. Try washing your hair with paper towel.
Exactly.
There you have it.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Demand one for your favorite watering hole in a restaurant.
We're going to get Mike.
Hey! Knock that thing off! Shut that thing off! Well, what do we got going on here, Ken?
We're putting a bidet in at New Holland Brewery Company. The girls' bathroom, handicap stall. We're hooking it up to a Sloan valve, which is kind of unique. Anybody out there that is putting together a bidet in a commercial application, you probably run into Sloan valves. We have the solution to that. So,
should I go on the other side and show them what the solution is, or keep them guessing? Make them buy one.